Welcome back to another new tutorial. So in this tutorial we're gonna make a random joke generator. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. So here we go, our simple HTML document, and you can see in this document I just simply take a container div, and inside this container div I just take a h1 and I add an emoji. Then I add a p tag and set the id name as joke text, and inside this paragraph I just simply click the button to get a joke, and simply I add a title here and empty paragraph tag. Then I set a button and set the id name as joke button and set the button name as get joke. That's the simple thing. When I call the API, then inside that object I just add the joke inside here, and the joke result will be showed inside this title paragraph. Okay, so let's jump to our CSS, and you can see I just set all the page margin padding 0 and box sizing border box. So here we go. This is simple. You can also design it as your opinion or you wish how you can design this. I just designed it as simple as possible, and this is not a responsive design. That's the main point. If we jump to our JavaScript code, then I have to add variables, and inside those variables I just simply add this id name to call this DOM element. So here we go. I just simply take some variable, and here we go. Finally we set up some variables here. I just simply take title, question and button. So this is the title, this is question, and this is button. Okay, now we're gonna make a asynchronous function. So async function, I just set the function name is jokes, and I don't need any parameter here. And now I just simply copy and paste my URL. You can see here joke generator API. I copied it last time. I just copy this, and here I just take a variable name data fetch, and I just simply await and fetch this data. Okay, you can find many API links inside GitHub. There was named public API inside GitHub, so you can find many of them, and I just simply take one of them. So I just simply here const and data is equals to await and say data fetch dot json. This will convert the json string to JavaScript object. So if we console it out, console.log, and we can see data. At first I'm calling the function here. Now if I open the console, you can see I just find an object and it's say punchline and setup. So setup is our question. So I just simply here question dot text content is equals to data dot setup. And another thing is just title dot text content will be punchline. Here you can see punchline. Now I think it will work, and I don't need anything from here. So I just simply close the console, and I just simply close the console.log, and now I'm calling the function by button click. So button dot add event listener click, and I just simply call the function jokes. Now we done, and if I click this get joke, you can see it will work. But another thing that you just copy this and paste it inside try, and here catch. What will catch error, and just fetch data from server. Then it will not work. Like I cut off O, and if we click joke, you can see oops, no data found. So simply this will handle the error, and finally we done. Here you can see a simple joke finder application. So this is a simple project. I hope you understand very well. So no more talking in this video. See you in the next time. Till then, goodbye.